It's not the surgeon that decides, it's you. So, Tom, you separated your clavicle from your acromion, your AC joint. Is that correct?
Yes.
And how long ago was that?
It was Monday. I've seen one. I got x-rays. I'm going to see my insurance company's orthopedic surgeon
Okay.
or doctor on Thursday.
Okay.
I went somewhere and had a consultation with another orthopedic this past Thursday.
Okay. And
And
it
he
when
said,
you take a look in the mirror at both of your shoulders, is this your left or right AC joint
it's
separation?
the left
Your
shoulder.
left one. Okay. So when you look at it in the mirror, is the clavicle sticking up above the
Yes.
acromion?
Yes.
How far would you say? A millimeter, an
He said
inch? So if it's an inch separation, that's a really bad one. And that means that the clavicle is not even really articulating at all with the acromion. The acromion is the top of the shoulder coming from the wing bone in the back, right? And that may have to be surgically reduced and some wire put in there to hold it in place. Can you push it up and down with your right hand?
yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's more of a surgical case. And I always say I don't like surgeries unless they're necessary. And in that case, it may be necessary. You get my
Well,
drift?
I'm going to the mirror right now. Maybe it's not an inch
It sure
because I
feels
still want
like
to
it.
do the
No, it
surgery.
feels like a foot. Grade three um, may or may not have to have surgery. Okay.
That's what he said. He recommended, but he said it would take the same amount of time to heal if I had surgery and let it do it
Yeah.
on its own.
So on its own, it may just be an annoyance that will not be a problem later because it'll probably just fuse up, on its own. But that's between you and the surgeon. I was trained in orthopedic surgery in my during med school. I did a lot of it. During internship, I did a lot of it. During residency, I did some, but I never became board certified in it. I switched over because of my shoulder. I switched, surgery that went bad. I switched to what's called physical medicine and rehabilitation at UCLA, and that's my board certification. So when it comes to surgery, I don't make decisions for people. And I often send people to an orthopedic surgeon if I think there's a chance that surgery would help them. So again, I have to keep saying I'm not against surgeons. I love them. I just think the culture of medicine is overstated, meaning there's too many surgeries being done that don't need to be done. And in your case, it's probably borderline, and you have to decide. Now, the question for me is, will regenerative medicine help that heal?